Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another product from PEAKZOOC. This is a power bank which also has MagSafe, so it's compatible with most iPhones on the market right now. But you can use it for other devices as well. So let's have a look at the box. So we have 15 watt max charging via magnetic charger, so it's Qi charging, wireless charging. You just attach it to the back of your device. 20 watt PD fast charger, magnetic supports, and two-way USB Type-C fast charging. This is how it looks like. It says super thin magnetic PD 20 watt power bank, and the product name is PEAKZOOC AC01. Basically this is the box of it. Not much about it on the back, just some features that I just said. So wireless charging, aluminum alloy, Type-C two-way PD 20 watts, magnetic, and pretty much that's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test, probably charge our phone. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. There's not much into it, obviously, it's just a power bank. We have a instruction manual right here with pictures. Will tell you everything you need to know about the power bank, how to use it, how to safely use it actually, and how to attach different devices to it. But it's pretty simple. It's got the USB Type-C port. They also included a cable which is Type-C to Type-C, and this is the power bank. This is how it looks on the back of it. So basically this is the part that will attach to your iPhone or any MagSafe device. Basically, as you can see, it's got this circle right here with the wireless charger. This will attach to the back of your iPhone where it has the magnets, and on the front this is how it looks like. Let me give it a quick wipe. This is how it looks like. It's made out of aluminum. It's got a pretty cool design. I never seen a power bank like this. And on the bottom we have some LED lights right here, and we have the USB Type-C charging port, which is a two-way. So basically you can use it to charge the power bank or charge your device from the power bank. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Let's go ahead now and test it. I will take my phone and I'll plug in the included cable, and we'll see if it starts charging or not. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so everything is set up. Basically all I have to do is plug it into my phone. So if I plug it just like so, let me see if I can do it with one hand. We should see fast charging popping up right here. So it's a really fast charging power bank. It works straight away. You don't have to do nothing else. It's just plug and play, super easy to use. What I can say about it is got a pretty cool design. It's MagSafe compatible. Also you can charge any other device, not just iPhones. And I think it's really useful and really cool, especially with all aluminum body design. I never seen a power bank like this, and it's quite slim as well. As you guys can see, it's super slim. The LED lights is showing that it's charging. So yeah, everything just works. If you guys want to buy this, I will have a link in the video description down below. We'll also have a link to their website, so you guys can check them out. They have pretty cool products. All of them are super high quality. I had a keyboard stand which I reviewed recently from them. Again, super high quality aluminum. So yeah, they really make high quality products. If you guys want to check them out, again, I'll have a link in the bio. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.